Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Girl Guitar. We're gonna roll that swift train through this channel here, and we have a song called Ruined Friendship. Alright, so this is track number 6 here from new album, and I really like this one. It really lifts this song here, so for all you Swifties out there and many others who will love this song, let's go into this tutorial. And yes, like you can see here, we don't have any capo use. We are clean on the fretboard. Let's go over the chords, and this one will be pretty simple. So we're gonna start with D first. Okay, so that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. From that chord, we're gonna go into a B minor version, and that will be to hold second fret A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. So what I do there from the transition from D, I keep that ring finger on the third fret B string, I add a little pinky, and then I move up with my two fingers to this position. That is the best way to handle a chord, in my opinion. That's the B minor. Then we're gonna move on with the C at 9. So from this position, you keep that ring finger and a little pinky on the same position, and you recuperate your fingers to this. So that will be your mid finger on third fret A, your index on second D, and then open G, and then still third B and third E. So that is the C add 9 chord. Then we have the G, and you still keep that bottom there on the B and E string. You move up with your fingers one string like this. So your mid finger on third fret E, the index on second A, then open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then for the refrain later on, we're gonna have the E minor as well. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so let's go into the strumming now with these 5 chords. So we have actually a 2-part strumming, and the main pattern is not any split in strumming. We're gonna use that only for the refrain later, but we need to learn it. So if you grab the first chord D, one full string around, both part 1 and part 2 sounds like this. Okay, so that is the strumming. So we have a split after down, down, up, down, down, up. So you're gonna play like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up. That's part 1. And then part 2 will be to play 2 ups. So you just continue with that up, 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 and then up, down, up. So part 2 is like that. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. And in a context, a couple of rounds goes like this. Okay, so let's learn the main pattern now, and that is played actually for the verse and the choruses, so no changes there. You're just gonna play this like 95% of the song. So D, 1 full round, then the B minor, 1 full round, the C add 1 full round, and the G, 1 full round. So you just roll that. Let's play together. Again, D, B minor, C, and G. Just beautiful, and it flows very well here, this grip patterns. Okay, so that is the main thing going on there. But then later on, at 1 minute and 50 seconds in, the refrain comes there. Don't make it awkward. That's where we're on the lyric. Now, this is where we need to use the split here of strumming. So you're gonna play the chord progression of E minor, You're going to play part 1, the down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you immediately change to the C add chord and play part 2, up, 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 down, up. Then you go to the G and play part 1, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then you go to the D and play part 2, up, 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 down, up. So E minor part 1, C add part 2, G part 1, and D part 2. Like this. Alright, you're going to play 4 rounds of that, and then after you play these 4 rounds, you go back to the main pattern and play that very nicely till the very end. And that's it, my friends. Taylor Swift's Ruin the Friendship. If you love her songs, her new album, make sure to come back here. We're going to have more songs coming up from this channel. So hope to see you soon. Hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, guys, play tuned.